welcome back to the channel. It's me, Starbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Starbear. It's so nice to meet you. Dun 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 dun. Guess what we're doing today? We're doing a recipe from the Stardew Valley Cookbook. What are we making today? Oh my gosh, I am so glad you asked. We are making cookies. That's right, cookies. They're cookie oatmeal chocolate chip. I was a little hesitant to take this one because, well, I too have been tricked by raisin cookies thinking they were chocolate cookies. But this one actually has chocolate chips in it. So I mean, like, it shouldn't be that bad. And I mean, like, cookies aren't that bad to make. I mean, like, fun fact, I actually tried making cookies from scratch for the first time a couple weeks ago. I was stressed the entire time. I didn't film it, sorry y'all. But they turned out pretty good. So this will be my second time making cookies. Let's go. So I don't know, maybe it'll go better this time. I don't know, they tasted good last time, so maybe they'll taste even better this time. Experience. But we are making cookies, oatmeal chocolate chip, and it doesn't really take a lot. It's just cookies. Like, it's literally just cookies, but they're from Evelyn, you know? I've gotten cookies so many times in that game, so now we're gonna see what they taste like. They look pretty good. They do have a picture this time. Oh my god, that looks delicious. I can't wait. Okay, so this is from the kitchen of Evelyn, and it makes about 16 cookies. That's a lot of cookies. I love it. So we have a note here. We have a note from Pierre, actually. And then we have a queen's tip. Okay. We have the little note, and I'm gonna pretend like this is Evelyn talking, because I think that's the whole point of the little notes is from them. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna do this with a straight face.
I learned this recipe from my mother when I was very young, and she learned it from her mother. And just between you and me, I may have made a few improvements. The secret is in the homemade oat flour. It adds a little something extra to the flavor and texture that you'll never find in those store-bought cookies. I love bringing a batch of piping hot cookies fresh from the oven as a heartwarming gift. Even if it's not a special occasion, I like to bake a batch or two every now and then, just in case an unexpected visitor drops by.
Classic Evelyn. Classic Evelyn. To just have cookies made. Well, that's exciting. Okay, let's read what Pierre said. I do love the scent of fresh baked cookies. It makes the customers hungry too, so they end up buying a little more of everything. Maybe I can convince Abigail to take up daily cookie baking as a hobby. Exploiting your daughter much? Oh, okay. And then we have a queen's tip. For freshly baked cookies at a moment's notice, you can portion and freeze the cookie dough on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Once frozen, transfer the cookie portions to an airtight container or storage bag and store in the freezer for up to 3 months. Oh dang, we even have like, how long? Then place the frozen cookie dough on a baking sheet and put it in preheated oven, allowing 2 to 3 minutes additional baking time. Ooh, okay. Well, I'm gonna make them now and eat them all now because I love cookies. I got a serious sweet tooth, so I'm pretty excited for this one. It's simple, it's straight to the point. The other one I had planned today, I was looking at the ingredients list, and I got rent to pay soon. So, next paycheck, we'll go ahead and get everything all gathered, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, and here are all of the ingredients. Wow, I have 2 different brands of chocolate chips because I needed to use the rest of the ones I had already. And I thought I got the same brand, but I'm gonna be so for real. I don't remember what the brand I got before was, so I'm sure it's gonna be fine. Like, I'm sure it's gonna be fine. Anyway, I accidentally broke the egg yolk already, but I'm sure it's fine. So now that we have everything all gathered, I guess it's time to, like, do the thing. I did look ahead and oh my gosh, I have to brown butter. Oh my gosh, I tried browning butter that first time I made cookies and it didn't go well, okay? And I was so distraught, but I kept going because it was still butter for the cookies. So I'm a little nervous on that part. I'm a little nervous on that part, but that's okay. It'll work out because positive energy, right? I don't know, dude. I don't know, dude. But we'll just, maybe it'll go good this time, you know? First time is never perfect. Second time can go amazing. I don't know. Can you tell I'm confident in that? No? Good. You're not supposed to. Okay, I'm not confident. All right, let's go ahead and see what we have to do. That doesn't seem too bad. Pretty straightforward. I mean, bake the cookies. I was curious when she did say the oat flour. So, I mean, it's using the blender. My little tiny blender. And that's plenty. That will fit in there just fine. So, it's cool that we're making that into flour. Have I ever made oat flour and it's always like that? I don't know. I haven't. So it's new to me. Okay, my bad. I guess let's go ahead and get started. I think this will go fine. I don't know. I think it'll go fine. I'm feeling confident. As I always should. Positivity or whatever. Alright, let's get started. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, melt the butter. Continue to cook, stirring frequently until light brown specks start to form and the butter starts to smell nutty, 7 to 10 minutes. Pour the butter and any brown bits into a large bowl and set aside to cool slightly about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the oats to a blender and blend until finely ground. Transfer to a medium bowl and add the flour, baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoons salt. Whisk to combine. To the slightly cooled brown butter, it should no longer be hot to the touch, but it is okay if it is still a tad warm. Add the brown sugar and granulated sugar. Whisk until smooth. Add the egg yolk, and vanilla, and whisk again until smooth. Add the oat flour mixture and use a rubber spatula to stir until just combined. Fold in the chocolate chips. Fold in the chocolate chips. Oh, I folded too much! Alright, let's do... Cover the bowl and refrigerate the dough until firm enough to easily scoop about 30 minutes. Line a small baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Divide the dough into 3 tablespoon mounds and place into the baking sheet. Cover the dough. What should I cover them with? I don't know. So cover them with paper towels? I don't know. And chill in the refrigerator until completely firm, at least 1 hour and up to 48 hours. We'll do 1 hour. We'll just do 1 hour. When you are ready to bake, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line 2 large baking sheets with parchment paper. Transfer 6 portions of the cookie dough onto one of the baking sheets, spacing them evenly apart. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake until the cookie edges are set and lightly browned and the centers are lightly puffed but still soft, and set up fully as they cool. 12 to 14 minutes, rotating the baking sheet once halfway through the baking time. While the first sheet is baking, place 6 portions on the second baking sheet, removing the first baking sheet from the oven and let the cookies cool for 5 minutes. Oh my god, they look so good. Holy crap, that looks delicious. These are big. These are the size of my palm. Dude. Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god, that looks good. Alright, let me put in those other bad boys. I made them a little smaller over here. Anyway. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Place the second sheet in the oven and repeat the baking and cooling process. While the second sheet is baking, add the remaining 4 portions on the first baking sheet, now cooled. Replace it with the final batch of cookies and bake and cool as before. I'll be so for real with you, Evelyn. Why are you making me do it in 3 batches, bro? Here is the reveal. Wow! They're cracking. And then they didn't end up touching each other, so that worked out. Though they're broken a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm okay with that. And here they are. Oh my gosh, they're huge, dude. Dude, they're like ginormous. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try them. Oh my gosh, cookies. Look at them. They look so nice, dude. I'm so glad. My sweet tooth has been like going crazy, so. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Oh. No toast, it's too late. Okay. Oh. Mm-hmm. Oh, my bad. Okay. That's a cookie. That's a cookie. It's pretty good. Mm-hmm. Alright, thanks for trying. It's so chocolatey. Dude, this is so good. It is a little crispy on the edges, as per the instructions. And it is pretty chewy, I'd say. I don't know. I'm not a very good cookie connoisseur. I just like eating them. I can't give very good definition, but here's how it looks on the inside after like a lot of bites. Oh my god, so much chocolate. There is like a little bit of saltiness to it, and I like that a lot. I think that's really what's making me come back. Are there too many chocolate chips? No, there are not. No such thing. I only took a bite. I'm over here eating the whole freaking cookie. That's so good. It's like so good. I can't, no words, none. Just eating the cookie, just eat, yum. Dude. I need milk. Oh, that's a good combination. That's a good combination, dude. Look, before you judge, I'm the only one who drinks out of this milk, so. I didn't plan to pour a glass of milk. I don't know why. Dude, that was good. If y'all don't like people who do that, I'm so sorry. I understand if you want to unsub, but I'm gonna keep doing it. Alright, well. 20 out of 10. 20 out of 10. I love it. I think it's so good. It's delicious. Yeah, I absolutely overcooked the other ones. Because they don't look the same. Okay, so if you do it by the instructions with 6 and spread them out and move them around when you need to, perfect. If you're just trying your best and want to just shove as much of them on the other one, well, heed my warning. And I think I left it in like a minute too long or something. I don't know. Anyway, there are a few factors on why it didn't work out. But I mean, I'm sure it's still good. Let's see. I'm gonna do this one. No, that was too much chocolate. I'm gonna eat it anyway. Okay, let's see. No, it's still good, dude. Okay. They're still good, but I like the bigger ones more. But I think I overcooked it a little bit. But dude, it was so good. It was delicious. Yeah, that one was good. That one was fantastic, actually. Oh my gosh, yeah, 20 out of 10. Would I make this again? Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. This is gonna be a thing I'm gonna use now. Like, I'm just gonna regularly make those when I'm craving some cookies. So, I mean, it's straight to the point. Browning butter, I don't know if I did it right. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, but I mean, the cookies came out delicious. Very much do like it. Yeah, I would make this again, absolutely. I highly recommend it if you guys are wanting something up from there. I mean, I made a couple of the other desserts, but you can't go wrong with cookies, all right? If these are the cookies that everybody's eating in Pelican Town from Evelyn, living it good. Well, and you now have the access to it from the Stardew cookbook. So, yeah. Yeah, this was a win. This one, yes, fantastic. 20 out of 10, would recommend. If you like chocolate chip cookies, get them, make them. I'm sure you can make like your replacements if you want to add raisins. I'm not going to shame y'all for those who do like raisins. I'm glad you enjoy them. Not me though. I am so happy. I am so happy with the results. I am absolutely going to make these bad boys again. I'm gonna be making them at every party and stuff. So those who know me in real life, and we have gatherings, because you're gonna pull up a cookies. Me, probably, I don't know. We'll see how I feel that day. Actually, I take it back. But I mean, the option's there. So. That was good. That was a good one. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy with it. I'm sure they would have been fantastic to wait the 48 hours. I'm not sure what the whole science is behind it, but I have heard of it before. I just don't remember anything from the top of my head, my bad. But yeah, I guess that's all I got for y'all today. Would you guys try making these cookies? I don't really care too much about the oatmeal. Like the oat tasted good. It tasted a little salty. Like it was a pretty good combination, I'd say. So yay. Oh my gosh. So yay. That's it. That's all I got. Do you guys like cookies? Do you guys like sweets? Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like or a comment or both, or you know, you do you. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye! Someone needs to write an autobiography that's titled, what is it? It was a great idea. Hold on, let me think again real quick. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all, or write a book about it, and then that's the autobiography.
Okay. What do you think of that?
I don't know. I was just thinking about it. It's just a random flying thought.
I would have a joke one.
Yeah.
If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all, and then it's just an empty book.
That would be pretty good. Journal edition.